Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Chevy Bolt and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. It's just your regular factory taillight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing and fading over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. Before starting the installation, we want to make sure to prep the tail lights. So to prep it, apply Slip Solution to the tail light lens, and with your clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the tail light might have. So to start the installation, we want to make sure we apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the tint. And we're going to start by installing the bottom piece first. So with this one, you want to start by aligning it to this side of the tail light first. The reason being because this is the most flattest surface of the tail light. So with this one, I would recommend aligning it right on the edge here, where the clear part of the tail light is about to end. So right around there. Make sure it's covering just the clear part. It's not going to reach right here to this edge. It's just reaching up to where the clear part of the tail light is ending. So once you have it on this edge, lift the film, apply Tack Solution, place it back down, and apply Tack Solution on top. And make sure the film is aligned with the body line of the tail light here. So lift it and just make sure it's following the body line of the tail light. And also that it is covering the bottom half of the tail light here. So now squeegee, tack it down. Right here there is a small curve. We're just going to help the film tack down to this curve here. Now that we have this section tacked down, now we need to lift the film, apply Slip Solution, and stretch the film to meet it right to this edge right here. Okay, so lift the film, apply Slip Solution onto the tint and the tail light, place it back down, and you're going to use this flat surface of the tail light as a support in order to stretch the film. So you might need to do small pre-stretching in order to help release the tension from the film and to reach it to this edge here. So just lift the film again, apply Slip Solution, place it back down, and stretch the film. And you want to stretch it right over here to this edge, and make sure you're covering the clear part of the tail light. Make sure this area is dry, that way you have better grip, and stretch. So once you've stretched the film and reached it up to this edge here, apply Tack Solution, hold it in place and start tacking it down. And if the film is lifting on this end, we'll tack it back down, but just focus on this end first. And make sure you're removing any water bubbles behind the film. And then just come back and tack down the rest. And to help it tack down here, apply Tack Solution, just to help the adhesive activate faster. Check if there's any water bubbles behind the film. If there's not, now we can move on with the next install, which is this one here. Okay, so with this one, same thing. Apply Slip Solution onto the tail light and Slip Solution to your tint. And align it right here to this section first. Apply Tack Solution, and the film's going to overlap with this one just a bit. So just make sure you're covering the clear part and start tacking down. So just make sure you have material on the top to cover the clear part on the top of the tail light here. Now that we have this tacked down, we need to stretch the film to go this way. So once you stretch the film and reach it to this end. Start tagging it down to help it secure. And if you have a small finger on the top section, just apply tack solution. And with a little bit of heat, it should tack down, but first try it out before heat. And if it doesn't tack down, then you can apply heat and squeegee. So use your tack solution and your heat gun to bring down the finger. And then just check if there's any water bubbles behind the film. And if there is, just squeegee them out. Once you finish removing all the water bubbles behind the film, the last thing to do is just post heat the film to secure the tint to the tail light. Okay, so the last step is to post heat, and to post heat, just apply tack solution all around. And make sure you apply tack solution on the areas where we overlap the film as well. And then with your heat gun and the microfiber towel, just start going all around the film to help the adhesive activate faster and it sticks better to the tail light. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2022 Chevy Bolt. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.